Alright everyone, we have 6 minus 3, 8 divided by 4. So 6 minus 3 equals 3, right? And 8 divided by 4. Now 3 and inside the parentheses 8 divided by 4. So 3 and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. And here is hidden, multiply. So 3 times 2 equals 6. But this is wrong. Why? Because after parentheses, multiplication must be done before subtraction. Right? So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. So inside the parentheses first, right? So 6 minus 3 and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Right? Now, here is multiply. So multiply first 3 times 2 equals 6. And minus 6. Now 6 minus 6 equals 0.